So is there a red dot in the viewfinder? You can say yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, I want you to zoom in on my phone. Zoom in, hold the camera, hold. Don't put two fingers, put your whole hand on that. That's the handle for the stripe. There you go. And now zoom in. Zoom in onto the phone so you can see the date. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you zoomed in?
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
Yeah.
It shows up clearly?
Mm-hmm.
What? And it's what? 1743 August 14, 2020. I can't remember all this stuff. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, so now zoom out. Okay. Zoom out. Okay. And then I want you to pan over to the screen of the my TV set, which I don't use as a TV set. I use it as a thing, but that's what you bought, right? So I want you to, what I want you to do is I want you to get, if you can, just this, maybe a little bit of that, but, or even just pick up the whole thing and move it. But see if you can get just the screen in the screen of the viewfinder. You understand what I'm saying?
It's there, but I don't know. It's not too bright.
Well, the brightness is not an issue. So here, this is what you bought, right? You got that. Looks like this. That side. It's got a very nice. Now, what I do with the camera is when I'm shooting pictures like this off the screen, is I'll zoom in with the camera.
Okay.
You know, because everyone likes to see a good zoom, so you can zoom into that if you want, and then zoom back out just to the size of the thing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So then I'm just moving along here. Here's the other side of the camera you bought, right?
Mm-hmm.
And here's the camera actually working, because the only way to allow the lens to come out like that is if you have batteries in it. I just wish he had put and that's it. That's all the pictures is what. He took 7 pictures when he could have had 12, but because 12 is at the limit of the pictures you can take, right? So anyway, that's it there. And then he wrote in his description here, camera's in brand new condition. I'll use to take photos one time in pristine condition. Comes in the original box. Paperwork, charger still in an original plastic bag and never used. An instructional CD, and all that. Okay. And it's he mistakenly said charger, but it's really an adapter that you can use to transfer your images to a computer. Blah, blah, blah. All right, so, yeah, so what did he say? I mean, he could have come in here and edited this, but I'm making him famous by putting it also on a happy little video. So now you can move the whole camera back out and white it out to me, all right? Just, you know, you don't have to be perfect with it. Just move it back out to me. And I can say hi, and you can say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, great. All right, so now I'm getting some scissors here because I've got the box that arrived here. It came in a 8 by 6 by 4 thing. Can you zoom in on that? Just for funny. Zoom in just to where it shows just the box, not me, or you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you got that, and zoom back out again. Everybody likes a good zoom.
Okay.
Or you zoom back out to full screen, full whatever. All right, so here it is. I'm just going to flash it like there. Okay, so try and read that. Okay, I've already taken pictures of this box with with this camera here. Okay, now that's the other thing. What did we get? I can't even remember. What is this thing? This is a 16 megapixels. So what we're going to get out of the box is not this one, because I have so many cameras now. I have this one, that one, and this one here. I paid $23.10 for this one. I don't need it. I bought it because I thought you were going to buy it from me, but no, because I showed you one little feature doesn't work on the silly thing, which is when you go to take a picture like this, and when you go to review, when you press the review button, it's supposed to go back to review, but also retract the lens, because it doesn't do it on this camera that I got from Gold wherever. But this one here does, because once again, if you go in here and you take a picture and the lens is popped out, and if you hit the review button like that, the lens does retract.
Yeah,
so,
and I told you not to buy it. You went and bought it.
Hey, I didn't know it wasn't going to work or not. All I know is that, you know, for $23.10, the thing doesn't review, because this one has a strap, that one don't. But this one works fine. We shot a video with it. I even uploaded the video to 9 seconds of video. So this works. There's nothing wrong with it, just a happy little retract. Anyway, who cares, right? And then this one here, this is, those two are both 12 megapixel SX130s. This is a SX160, which is a 16 megapixel, and that's what we're going to get out of this box here, as we just showed on the screen there, and as my nurse is acting as my, because he bought this camera here. He bought the Canon Vixia Canon Vixia HF-M41, which is that camera right there, that camcorder. Alright, so what do I do with my scissors? Lost my scissors. Here they are. So now, I'm just, and he wanted to, now we're going through all this and I'm finding out he's buying all this stuff because I'm showing him all this stuff. It's like, man, so that's why you're seeing all these videos about cameras all of a sudden. So here it is. Well, here, let me show you like that. It's, I had this little bit of stuff around here. So here is a, pristine, brand new box. Now, if you would please, sir, zoom into just this box. Okay? Zoom into where okay, so you got it like that. Does it show up nice and pretty?
It is.
Can you see it? All right, so now I'm gonna show you it's this side. Is that coming good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I'm going to show you that side,
Mm-hmm.
and then this side,
Mm-hmm.
and then this side, which tells you a whole bunch of nothing,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're going to show you the back. See here. So here's the back. Hoo-ha, who cares? Are you centered on that pretty well?
Mm-hmm.
Got it for a few seconds so they can pause on it and look at it and read about it, and who cares, right? So let's get to it. So now let's open the box, flip this open, and we've got, now, hand down to me, right? So here it is, we're opening the box. Thoughtfully, they put some bubble wrap in here, okay? There's the camera, that's just bubble wrap, and then we've got the brand new in the package USB cord, which is, I can't remember, USB to A or whatever, I can't remember. And then we've got the instruction manual, and then here's the, yeah, there's the software, in case you really wanted to install the software in there, but who knows. Alright, so that's all it. And it's got, say, oh, here's the, he put this in here, so you know what you do and when you do it, right? It's, you gotta, this is generic. It doesn't even have his name on there. We can't advertise his name. It's just, okay, so much for that. So now, we want to see if this works. So this is a Canon SX160, okay? So let's see if it's got batteries in it. It's got batteries in it, but no memory card. Okay, now let's see if it turns on. So we'll hit the power button for review. It does work. There is, oh golly. Well, let's see here. Menu skip, no memory card. Okay, well, I just happen to have in my pocket batteries, and I happen to bring, just for such an occasion, I brought a verified, nothing in it, 4 gigabit card that I've used before and I've saved for these older cameras. So there it goes. So now I'm just going to turn it on. Came on. We're not going to check that out. We're going to take a picture of the stuff. You went busy. It took a picture of the stuff. Okay, like that. And then we're going to hit the review button, which is this. And well, okay, that one didn't work like mine's supposed to. Let me try another one. Let's just go ahead and take another picture of the, there, got the click, and we can go here and put it on that, and we're shooting a little video, so little video, hello, okay. We're going to hit this again, we're hit stop, okay, busy. We're going to go back to review, which is hit the blue button for review, and then we're going to hit that, and the lens didn't retract on this one. Ha! That's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to hit power. Power does retract. Okay, and I'm going to hit the review button. Oh, okay. Possibly the reason why it doesn't want to review is because the battery, which is a CR 1220, is dead. Okay, so all these cameras take a battery that helps you with that particular little feature. Now this one here, just for giggles, is my camera I've been using, and it if I go to take a picture, I'm not going to take a picture, but I'm just showing you that it works, right? And if I go to review, okay, if I go to review, it reviews and the lens retracts. So this one here, the lens does not retract, and this is the same camera as that one. So I want to, oh golly, all right, well, I don't know why that feature doesn't work, but I like unboxing these things here and showing in a video that what works, what doesn't work. Okay, so here's mine, there's that. It could be that it needs just the memory battery, because mine takes a memory battery as well. Okay. I don't know if a memory battery will solve that or not, but if I hit the review button, see, I'm trying to do this with two cameras. So if I hit the review button, here's mine and here's this one. Hit that. Mine retracts and goes to review. Whoops. And this one went to review as well. See, I took a picture of the feet, but the lens didn't retract. Okay, so I want to show you that. Oh my gosh. All right, well, I'm done with this. The camera works. It shoots video. It's just the happy little feature of going from there to there doesn't work. Okay, so it's a very clean camera. The screen is not scratched at all. Like I said, it comes with all the parts, and that's all I know. So good day, bye. Hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun. Now I want you to wait before you stop. Wait, on the screen there. Mm-hmm. On the screen, it's a touch screen now. Mm-hmm. See the word photo. Mm-hmm. Hit the thing photo. Well, first of all, white out, and
yeah,
white out, and hit photo. Hit it again. Did the screen jump or anything? Did the screen jump? Mm-hmm. It finally did? Okay, now you can shut it off. I'll use that for my